Hello, this is Davide Biocchi speaking from Italy, and this is my intermarket weekly analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar, and we have a clear level around here 1.06. That if, let's say, the market will see any close above this price, for sure the next step will be 1.08. So 1.037 still remain as a main support, but the market is pushing to 1.06, and maybe we can see some more interesting situation this week. Very similar, let's say, so more or less stable as the euro dollar is, we can say that the dollar index is. So the dollar index is very close to the level of 103.7. That is more or less, let's say, the price where the market was unable to go through until years, until let's say 2016, 2007, and we are now on prices that the market did never seen after the year 2002, end of 2002, beginning of 2003. So we must go back of quite 20 years to see prices like this, but the market is unable to move forward from this 1.037. So we are more or less back and forth this level, up and down. Let's see what is going to happen in short term. Let's switch to commodities, where we have the crude oil that is still, let's say, in the process for a retracement that ended when the price arrived around the level of 100. There was a reaction, and today the reaction is still here. So the price is around 107 more or less, and let's say we are in the middle of a river, in the sense that we have a quite interesting level here at 95, a top here at 123, then we have an average price around 115, and then another very important level around 100. So let's see if the market is able to move and maybe to attack again 115, or we will see very soon 95 back here. Then the gold come. So what about the gold? The gold is doing, let's say, a little bit better today than it was doing before, but especially if we consider what is going to happen in medium term, maybe we have to see a strong gold below the price of 1,800 or above the price of 1,875. In this case, the market will continue the attempt to go at the level, around the level of 1,990 or let's say 2,000, where the market has the main resistance. So it's quite interesting to see that today the gold is moving, but this is not enough. We need to see the gold moving more and more than this to see a new, let's say, a new potential trend for this commodity. Let's switch immediately after to the European stock indices situation. We have from 3,400 the Euro Stock 50 that is rebounding. There's a recovery in process, and the similar situation is doing the DAX. So the DAX is back, and the DAX will find his, let's say, first resistance is around the price of 13,400 that is in front of us here. So let's see if it will be able to do that. On the other side, let's say we have the US stock indices that did very well on Friday. So we have seen the S&P 500, let's say, very close to the price of 3,900. In my opinion, could be that some, let's say, interesting recovery could extend also to 4,100, 4,150, where the market has a quite strong resistance. Let's see what is going to happen. Very similar situation is the one, let's say, that we have on the DAX, sorry, on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, let's say, was rebounding even stronger than the S&P 500, because the last one was again the week of the growth stocks. So the Nasdaq stocks did better than the other, and let's say that what we have in front of here is a chart that is telling us that we can even see an extension around 12,900. Let's see if it will be, there will really be the possibility to do this. Finally, the Russell that did quite good and was able to come back to 1,760, where we had the first resistance based on this, let's say, sessions of market where the close were around this level, and then in any way a potential reaction can extend rebounds until the price of 1,900. So this will be a quite interesting week. Let's say not so many macroeconomic data. It will be the next one to be full of data. We will have the 4th of July, and then we will have on Friday the payroll, so that will be very interesting. So thank you very much for being here. This is Davide Biocchi from Italy. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.